Today we're going to be reviewing, or just a quick little review video on a Switchblade comb. You can find them at Amazon stuff. They're pretty cheap. So let's jump right in. See, okay, I don't really need a knife for this. So anyway, it's got a little, right. Ooh, nice little spring, but just pointing out the mechanics of a switchblade, but a comb. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Just and they're usually, the spring's actually pretty good, but it can wear out and just get like silicone oil, like WD-40, and just lube it up, I would suggest, and then it would work. It would have a nice spring to it. Well, if it runs out of spring, but pretty short video. There's not much to it. This button you kind of want to glue down just to non-safety because it's really annoying. Otherwise, just the button and the spring. There's not that much to it. And that should be all for this video.